Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to learn how to import meshes to your game. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the View tab, find Asset Manager. In Asset Manager you have to click Save to Roblox, then you have to click Save by not writing the name, description and all like this. Then it's going to load place Untitled Game. And then we need to click this bulk import. Here I'm going to choose file but meshes, apply all. Now it's going to be checked. Resize it. When we have the sticks, it means everything is normal with this like mesh. So now after you have every tick, you have to just close. Then you have to go and find mesh file, click it, then go to mesh. You have to right click and then click insert with application, and as you see I have one of my meshes in my game. So by this way you can insert meshes to your games easily. So as you see, my part went and my part came, and it's like a snail, and but they made it fast video. Ooh, look, I'm going to make it now. Ooh. And then he comes and says that there is nothing. For example, I'm saying to Zertal, go and check, is there someone? And he goes to the end of the world and he comes after 1 year. No, there's nothing. So this was all for now, my friends. So how was this video to you? Put likes and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.